Hello, good day. This is Jenny Jamerlan. My everyday name is Jam. And ma'am, sir, I would like to thank you for this opportunity of letting me provide myself introduction. I am currently 39 years old. I am an ex-abroad from Singapore City, Singapore. I work as a caregiver slash nanny. My basic job description there is technically as a nanny, but sometimes I also do household chores. As a nanny, I take care of an 8-year-old boy with special needs. I accompany him as to everything on his everyday needs, from getting up early, toothbrush, washing him up, contact lens, medical and dental visits, extracurricular activities. I am with them all the time. But mostly, if we are at home, I basically assisted him with studies, research, also with assignments, because I have a background in education as well. Also, we play along with Lego. We basically love listening to audio as well. So every day is basically like a routine. We have an everyday assignment from morning until the afternoon. The rest, when the kid is at school, I basically do the household chores at home. Car washing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, taking care of the plants. My kid has a picture plants, he has a hobby, so I take care of them too. Also, I accompany my akong, that's the grandfather, and also the grandmother when they go groceries, when they go somewhere else, go restaurants. And the rest, I do household chores, cleaning, preparing food for the kid, something like that. So that's pretty much it. For the 2-year contract, I ended it. And then right now, I would like to again go back abroad as another opportunity for me to gain more experience. And right now, I decided to get the opportunity of going to Hong Kong to venture much better opportunity there. So if you've given me a chance, I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much.